Today I'm giving a review of the salt and pepper shaker grinders my wife got on Amazon. Now, although they are sharp looking, I actually thought this was a total waste of money when my wife first bought them. But I'll admit now that I've been using them for the last couple of months, I've fallen in love with them. They're both identical. Let me introduce you to some of the features. First of all, they both have a USB-C charger, and I'll admit, I thought I'd be charging these things all the time. The truth is, we charged them once. We've been using them for the last couple of months, and we haven't had to recharge them yet. Secondly, both the pepper and the salt grinder work fantastic. And there's a little bonus here. If I press the button while you're looking at the bottom, see that light come on? That actually shows you how much pepper or salt is falling out of it while you're grinding. So you can really see how much you're adding to your food. We keep ours next to the stove and use them while we're cooking different meat or vegetable products, but they're sharp looking and you can set them on the table during a nice meal. All of that said, I'll be honest, I'm a total convert. I love this salt and pepper shaker. I'd highly recommend it to anybody else. You can find them on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for about 30 bucks. I think these are a great investment. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.